Hi, my name's Chris Ward, Applications Engineering for Fenner Industrial Motion. And today we're going to do a real quick installation of Fenner POWERTWIST drive. Fairly straightforward. In front of me I have a little demo rig. It is a fixed center demo rig, and it is also a captive, meaning you couldn't get a rubber V-belt and put it on there without having to disassemble something. Not a problem for POWERTWIST, as the POWERTWIST is open-ended. We're going to start by hand fitting the belt. Fairly simple process. We have a piece of belt here that is significantly longer than we need for this particular application. We're going to put it in the groove of one pulley, into the groove of the other pulley. This is the right way around, the V's sitting down, and I'm going to pull the belt as tight as I can pull it. And you can see how that link replaces that link and that one replaces that one. So I'm going to put my finger between those two links. Here we have a piece of belt. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to squeeze it, make a square. The tab that's pointing straight up, I'm going to undo first. It pops off. It allows me to remove that piece of belt quite easily. So now I have a piece of belt that's exactly the right length for this application. Now, I could roll the belt on at that, assemble it and roll the belt on, but unfortunately, it would only go on as tight as I can physically pull it, and that's not enough for it to function correctly in this application. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the instructions, and it says for a belt of this length, which is about 50 inches long, we need to remove 3 links. So let's do that now. So there's our 3 links removed. So now we have a belt that looks significantly too short for this application. That is going to be the exact tension that this needs for this application. So let's take it off. First tab goes through 2 holes. Fairly straightforward, easy to do, 10 through 90 degrees. Second one, I've got to pull down with my right hand. Notice that I'm not holding the belt in one hand. I'm using 2 hands. My hands are close to the joint. I'm going to pull down with my right hand. It exposes the tab. It allows me to twist it quite easily with my thumb. As I twist it, I'm going to lift my right hand up. It goes over the top of the tab, snap it down, make sure it's perpendicular to the belt, and it's gone together quite easily. Turn the belt the right way around, and here we have a mechanical advantage. We're going to put the belt around the small pulley first, into the groove of the large pulley. Make sure we wedge our heel of our hand against the back of the belt, and we're just going to turn the system over. And yep, it goes tight a little bit, but as you keep on rolling, the belt snaps into the groove quite easily. Now, if we need to take it off for any reason, not a big deal. I'm somewhat of a puller, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my fingers against the belt, again, away from the area where the belt enters into the pulley, and I'm going to pull the belt towards me, which is going to pull it out of the groove. Jam my thumb against the rim of the pulley. As it spins, you can see it starts to come away from it, and as it gets past it, it pops off quite easily, and I can do anything I want to do with the belt.